Today we are going to discuss our solar system, very beautiful galaxy, our sky, all those things. And mainly in this particular video, we are going to cover basic contents of solar system and related questions answers. These questions and answers are very much important in all competitive exams also. So we are going to start solar system contents. So first of all, when we see our sky in the night, we see how much beautiful is this sky. So in sky, there are so many millions and billions of stars. करोड़ों की तादाद में स्टार, चमकते हुए स्टार हमारे आसमान को इतना सुंदर बनाते हैं. In this galaxy, there are so many solar systems. What we are talking? We are talking about our solar system in which we are living. So, our sky is full of heavenly objects. These are tiny specks of light that are appear in the sky are called stars. In night जब हम लोग देखते हैं आसमान की तरफ, तो प्यारे प्यारे सुंदर सुंदर लाइट के जो स्पेक्स हैं उनको स्टार कहते हैं. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. तो जितने भी स्टार हैं, प्लेनेट हैं, मून्स हैं, जो भी शाइन करते हैं उन सबको हम बोलते हैं सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज. तो अब अगर हम देखते हैं कि इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम क्या क्या मिलके सोलर सिस्टम बनता है, तो फर्स्ट there are so many elements, 3 elements basically. So first is star. The question is, what is star? So star is a heavenly body having its own heat and light. This is a huge ball of gases. तो ये गैसेस की बाल हैं जिनकी अपनी हीट और लाइट होती है, उन्हें हम स्टार कहते हैं. तो द सन इज अ स्टार, नियरेस्ट स्टार टू द अर्थ. इन अर्थ हमारी पृथ्वी में जो भी लाइट आती है, जो भी हीट आती है, all those comes from sun, because earth does not have its own light, its own heat it does not have. और जो जब हम देखते हैं आसमान में, द पैटर्न्स ऑफ स्टार विजिबल इन द स्काई is called constellations. Star cloud having billions of stars is called the Milky Way galaxy. तो गैलेक्सी में मिलियंस ऑफ स्टार हैं और जो स्टार का पैटर्न्स है that is known as constellation. Second important item in the solar system is the planet. Planet is a heavenly body with no heat of light of its own, like our earth. And planet is much smaller in size than a star. तो जो प्लैनेट होते हैं उनकी अपनी कोई लाइट, अपनी कोई हीट नहीं होती है. They take it from the star. और साइज में भी जो प्लैनेट होता है वो स्टार की कंपैरिजन में काफी छोटा होता है. अब अगर हम पर्टिकुलर अपने सोलर सिस्टम की बात करते हैं, तो there are 8 planets. Those moves in their orbits around the sun. Sun is our star. There are 8 planets जो कि सन के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाते हैं. Earlier Pluto was the 9th planet, but it is no longer considered a planet. जो planet होने की basic conditions थी, Pluto could not meet all those conditions, so finally it is considered as a dwarf planet. It is not considered as a planet. So now in our solar system there is a one star, that is sun, and 8 planets. Now you can check the diagram in front of you. In this diagram we can see the sun as a star and there are 8 planets surrounding the star, and it is showing here See, it is the orbit of the planets, and the planets की जो orbits हैं, that is based upon according to the distance from the sun. Like here we can see the first is Mercury, very nearest to sun. The second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and eighth is Neptune. So in this diagram we can see the sun, our star, and 8 planets. Now we are going to describe more facts about solar system. Solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago. अरबों खरबों साल पहले ये बना था. एंड कैसे बना था? इट इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ क्लाउड ऑफ गैस एंड डस्ट, जिसको कि हम कहते हैं सोलर नेबुला. The sun is 93 million miles from the earth, and all planets and stars sun in the solar system are spherical in shapes, जैसे कि हमारी बाल होती है. In our solar system there are 8 planets जो भी हैं, उनमें जो 6 planets थे, these were known for a long time to the all human beings, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, while the remaining two, namely Uranus and Neptune, were discovered after the invention of the telescope. Neptune was the last planet discovered in the solar system. Next item is satellite. Satellite is small heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. These satellites also do not have their own light and heat. Some planets have their own satellites. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Sometimes natural satellites को भी हम लोग moons कह सकते हैं. जैसे कि there are 205 moons, natural satellites in the solar system. We can see Venus from the earth. It makes Venus the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon for the earth people, because moon is our natural satellite. It is very near to earth and Venus is also near to the earth. So पृथ्वी से अगर हम देखते हैं towards our sky, so Venus from the earth is the second brightest object in the night after the moon. Now we are going to describe these planets. इनमें क्या है कि इनके इंग्लिश नेम, हिंदी नेम, इनके order is based upon distance from sun, how many moons are there, and what is the interesting facts about this. So first is Mercury, बुध, हिंदी में बुध कहते हैं. It is the first planet after the sun, and it is boiling hot by day and freezing cold at night. सबसे पास है तो दिन में सबसे ज्यादा गर्म हो जाएगा, रात में उतने ज्यादा ठंडा हो जाएगा. सेकेंड इज द वीनस, हिंदी में शुक्र बोलते हैं. इट इज द ब्राइटेस्ट प्लैनेट. इट इज कॉल्ड मॉर्निंग स्टार और इवनिंग स्टार. इट इज सीन एट dawn or dusk. Third is the earth in which we are living. This is the only planet which has life. Fourth is Mars, हिंदी में बोलते हैं मंगल. It has 2 moons covered with red dust, तो इसको हम लोग रेड प्लैनेट भी बोलते हैं. फिफ्थ इज जुपिटर, हिंदी में इसको बृहस्पति कहते हैं. दिस हैव 79 मून्स, है ना. दिस हैव लार्जेस्ट एंड फास्टेस्ट स्पिनिंग प्लैनेट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज सैटर्न, सिक्स्थ, इसको हिंदी में शनि कहते हैं. इट रिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ आइस, रॉक एंड डस्ट. इट हैज द largest number of moons or natural satellite. Earlier this count was 82, but now NASA is declaring that it has 145 moons. Next is Uranus, Arun, and Neptune, Varun in Hindi. These are 7th and 8th, and these are Neptune has very much cold winds that blow at a speed of greater than that of a flying plane. प्लेन से भी ज्यादा तेज स्पीड चलती है. Now we are discussing next topic is our planet Earth, in which we are living. So Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. इसका जो साइज में है, this is the 5th largest planet, and it is slightly फ्लैटेंड एट द पोल्स, दोनों पोल में, स्फीयर के दोनों पोल में थोड़ा सा फ्लैटन है। इस तरह के जो शेप होती है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं जियोइड। जियोइड मीन्स लाइक अर्थ लाइक शेप। अर्थ में क्या है, द कंडीशंस आर वेरी मच फेवरेबल टू लाइफ, दैट्स ओनली वी आर ओनली लिविंग हियर। यहाँ पे वाटर है, एयर है, जो कि वेरी मच इसेंशियल फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल। यहाँ पे गैस, लाइफ सपोर्टिंग गैस लाइक ऑक्सीजन, ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट। सो अर्थ इज अ यूनिक प्लेनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम। एंड अर्थ की जो सरफेस है उसका 71% सरफेस इज कवर्ड फ्रॉम वाटर। सो जब हम इसको आसमान से, स्काई से देखते हैं, सो इट इज शोइंग ब्लू। सो हम इसको ब्लू प्लेनेट भी कहते हैं। अर्थ जब सोलर सिस्टम में अर्थ हैज टू टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन। वन इज रोटेशन अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस, जो कि इट कंप्लीट्स इन वन रिवोल्यूशन इन 24 आवर्स एंड इट causes डे एंड नाइट। सेकेंड टाइप मोशन ऑफ अर्थ इज रिवोल्यूशन अराउंड द सन, जो कि वन ऑर्बिट कंप्लीट करने में लेता है 365 एंड 1/4 days. This is known as solar year, and this type of rotation, revolutional motion causes the season. The moon is the earth satellite. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet other than celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers from us. Now we are going to discuss main questions which are very important, and it is being asked in all the competitive exams. So first is, which planet is often called as a blue planet? So answer is the Earth. Second, which planet is often called as a red planet? It is the Mars, moon, Mars. तो मार्स का क्या है? It is named after the Roman god of war. Third is, which planet is the smallest planet in our solar system? That is Mercury. Fourth largest planet in our solar system, that is Jupiter. Which is the closest planet to the sun in our solar system? That is Mercury. Next is the farthest distant planet to the sun, that is Neptune. Next question, which is the brightest planet in our solar system? That is the Venus. Next, which is the darkest planet in our solar system? That is the Neptune. Neptune, it is the farthest and reflects the least total night, that is the darkest planet. Next question, which is the coldest planet in our solar system? That is Uranus. Uranus is approximately temperature is minus 224 degrees centigrade. That is very chilly. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Answer is Venus. Its temperature is approximately 465 degrees centigrade. Which planet have life in our solar system? That is the Earth. Which planet discovered after the invention of telescope in the solar system? The Uranus and Neptune. Next question, which planets have no any natural satellite? So Mercury and Venus, these are the two planets. Those do not have any moons or any natural satellite. Now, which is the planet which have minimum number of natural satellite? So that is the Earth, one moon. Planets with maximum natural satellite in our solar system is the Saturn, which is currently have 146 natural satellite. Next question, which planets have rings in our solar system? So 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have rings. Next, which planet is referred as a queen of planets in our solar system? So answer is the Venus. Next, which planet are referred as the twins in solar system? So Venus and Earth are known as twins planet. Both are very much pretty and both have nearly almost same size. So this is the all about our solar system. Thanks to all.